Man, I have to go to school. And I hate school. Shoot. It's Dad.
Classic Caillou, it's time for school. Classic Caillou, stop throwing a fit. Go to school now, or you're grounded.
Okay, Finn. Man, I have to walk to school in the snow. This is so stupid. I will pull the fire alarm soon.
Good morning, class. Today we will be talking about biology.
Hey, Mr. Boss.
What?
May I go to the bathroom?
Sure, but come back in 6 minutes.
Now it's time to pull a fire alarm. Dang it, I'm the floating head again, bruh.
Oh my gosh, it's the fire alarm. Quick, everyone go outside. Sorry about that, class. It was the fire alarm that went off. Now, let's continue with our work. Wait, I got it. Classic Caillou, did you pull the fire alarm?
What?
Don't lie to me. Did you?
Yes.
Oh. Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know you're not allowed to do that. Guess what? You're now going to Principal Jane's office for your field trip. Go there now.
No. Classic Caillou, I told you not to stand there. Get over here. Now what is it? I just pulled the fire alarm. How dare you pull the fire alarm? You are expelled. I'm now calling your dad. Washington.
Hello there, this is Boris. How may I help you?
You're not gonna be happy when I tell you this. Your son did the worst thing, he pulled the fire alarm.
He did? I will pick him up. Man, that bald floating head. I have to pick him up, then grounded, and he will be spanked. Where's Classic Caillou?
He ran away.
I will find him. Classic Caillou, you're not going anywhere. You are coming with me right now. You are in big trouble.
Wah!
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you are grounded until Halloween. Go to your room now, and never come out.
Wow.